6 flooding from Hurricane Helene devastated parts of East Tennessee. The waters were strong enough to change the course of the Pigeon River, causing uncertainty for the rafting community.
Today, we did see rafters get back in the water and do what they do best, have some fun. Here is 10 News reporter Emily Crabtree with more from one rafting company in Hartford making a comeback.
Even though it is a rainy day here on the Pigeon River, that's not stopping people from getting in the water to go rafting. After all, it is the celebration of the Pigeon River reopening less than a year after Hurricane Helene.
Schmo is a way of life. It's not just a place to work.
For the rafting companies across East Tennessee, the last few months have been full of uncertainty. But now there seems to be a light at the end of the tunnel. Smoky Mountain Outdoors in Hartford sits right next to the Pigeon River. And when Hurricane Helene hit,
Smoky Mountain Outdoors was a 100% total loss. We lost every building, everything that our company had, our boats, our equipment, our buildings. The best part is we didn't lose any staff.
The rafting community is a huge part of Cocke County's economy. People from all over come to raft along the Pigeon River.
Our busiest year ever, we did 74,000 people. Yeah, it's a big operation. We employ about 160 people.
And even though the last few months have been filled with hard work, people say it's brought the community together.
It's been quite a, how shall I say it, not a good experience, but now I'm starting to see where we're turning a bad experience into a great opportunity.
Now, only 7 of the current 11 rafting companies in Cocke County are reopening for this rafting season. A lot of them are still waiting for next rafting season so they can still get their feet on the ground. But that doesn't mean that people still can't stop by and have a good time on those rapids. In Cocke County, I'm Emily Crabtree.
Now, those rafting guides say the quick recovery would not have been possible without the help of local and state leaders. And they are excited for the rapids to be bigger and better than ever.